Okay, scoop it up and eat it. Eat it now.
Good job. Can you get a good scoop in there? Yeah, scoop it up. Good job. Good big mushroom. Oh, good job. Oh. Put it in your mouth. You got a nice big mushroom in that one. Yeah, scoop it up. Good job, buddy. Good job. You're not getting all of it in there, but you're getting some of it. Look at you, big boy. Look at you, big boy. You're eating like such a big boy. Go ahead, take a scoop. Oh. You lost all your rice. Good job!
Yeah, yummy!
Yay!
Yeah, good
you
job.
Get rice on there? Let's see without your hand being in the way.
Oh.
Oh, close.
Scoop it up big. Whoop. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there we go.
Good job! You are such a big boy! You are such a big boy. Look at you feeding yourself. You silly Billy. You silly Billy. Oh, lost your spoon. Can you take another big bite? Yeah, scoop it up. Oh, goodness.
Chew your food too. Don't forget to do that.
Scoop it up. You need some help holding the bowl still? There you go. Good. Scoop. Take a bite. Oh, you got to put it in your mouth. There's no food on there. Take a scoop up the food. Scoop up the food. Take a big bite. Standard. You scoop up your food. Take a big bite of your dinner.
I think you might be
I know he's getting towards the end.
more done than.
Good job. Put it in your mouth.
Yeah,
Yay!
good job.
You are so big. You are so big. You're getting so big, my love. Think we're nearing the end. Okay, look at the camera. Yay!